If you're cruising with Princess for the first time, the embarkation process can be overwhelming. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to take you step by step through the embarkation process so you can quickly get on your ship as stress-free and hassle-free as possible. Well before embarkation day, you are going to want to do as much of the check-in process as possible on the app, or the website, or through your travel agent. You want to make sure that you can get into the green lane if you can. In another video, I'm going to go over the whole check-in process on the app so you can get green lane, but for now, go through the check-in process and order your medallion so that way you can be in the green lane. Before getting to the port, take a look at the app and look at your boarding pass. This will tell you which lane you are in. You will be divided into one of two lanes. You will be either green lane, which means you have ordered your medallions and you have them on you shipped to home and you've completed the full check-in process, or you will be blue lane. This means you either couldn't get your medallions shipped to home or you didn't finish the check-in process. There is a third lane that you will see at the port but not on the app, but I'll talk about that in a minute. When you first get to the port, the first thing you're going to do is drop off your luggage with the porters. Please tag your bags with the luggage tags provided by Princess before you get to the port. The process for this will vary depending on if you're driving or taking a shuttle, but for the most part, you're going to just pass off your bags to the porter, give them a tip, and then move on to the next section. Next, you'll have to go through security. Whether you can bring liquids on board depends on the port, but from my experience, we have not had issues with anything that is sealed, factory sealed and contained. They have been allowing those, but if you have like a water bottle that's partially drunk, or if you have like a refillable water bottle, they have been wanting those to be emptied out. The rest of security is pretty typical. There's metal detectors, there's bag scanners, all that kind of stuff. It's not as strict as say like airport security, but you just need to be aware that you will be doing this at embarkation as well as any time you get back on the ship from a port. Once through security, you'll be presented with the 3 lanes. You will be either green lane, meaning you have your medallion and you've completely completed the check-in process, or you will be blue lane. This means that you haven't been able to get your medallions sent to your home. Either you have chosen to pick up at the port, you live in a country that doesn't allow shipping the medallions, or for any other reason. Or it's possible that you didn't complete the full check-in process on the app. If you don't have a cell phone and you don't have the ability to do it on an app and you don't know how to use the website and you don't have a travel agent that can help you out, then it is totally fine. You just go in the blue lane and they will help you out there. There is a third lane and it is a gray lane and it is the accessibility lane. If you or someone in your party has mobility issues, requires a wheelchair, anything like that, you can use the accessibility line. This is what we used on the recent cruise with my daughter as she has mobility issues. This just saved us from going all through the line and trying to navigate that area with a wheelchair. No matter what lane you choose, you will have to present your passports, or if you are American doing a round-trip cruise to the US and it allows you to use your birth certificate or other form of ID, you will have to present that to the agent. If you are blue lane, they will then go get your medallions and help you complete the rest of the check-in process if needed. Once you are done your check-in process, you are ready to go. Sometimes, depending on what time you arrive at, you might need to wait in the port for a little bit. If you are Platinum or Elite, which is the loyalty status with Princess, you are able to go to that lounge. Suite guests also get to enjoy priority embarkation as well. Everyone else will be in a main general lounge and will need to wait until it is time to board the ship. Once they are ready to have you board the ship, whether that's right away or when you are called, then you just get right on the ship. Easy peasy. As soon as you get on board, you're going to want to do your muster drill. I'm going to do a whole nother video on that, but in the meantime, go check out this one right here.